Nancy is a marketing manager and key decision maker. She's been informed that her team's revenue was lower than anticipated this quarter. Nancy needs a tool that will allow her to delve deep into last quarter's numbers to come up with a plan of action for how they can increase revenue next quarter. Nancy relies on the ability to collaborate quickly within her organization, whether she's on the go or in the office. Microsoft Power BI is the tool that delivers the data she needs, wherever she is, and it's simpler and faster than ever before. Microsoft Power BI gives Nancy the ability to collaborate quickly within her organization. Apps like Salesforce, Dynamics, Adobe, and Google Analytics can be directly embedded, reducing workflow redundancies and creating a one-stop shop for her data needs. Microsoft Power BI gives her the ability to visualize data in an interactive, intuitive way, so she can consume quickly and delve deeper into the data with a targeted approach. Any Microsoft Power BI report seamlessly integrates across Microsoft applications, such as Teams and SharePoint Online. This gives Nancy the ability to consume and share information across the organization in just a few clicks. Along with familiar tools like Excel, Power BI gives Nancy the toolkit she needs to read data, create insights, forecast, and implement a plan of action on a wide range of business priorities. Thanks to Microsoft Power BI, Nancy has the insights she needs to make informed decisions. Go from data to insights in minutes. Any data, any way, anywhere. Business intelligence like never before.